Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to change call log settings in Android. Call log settings on Android allow you to manage how your call history is displayed, stored, and accessed. Depending on your device and phone app, may be able to adjust features such as caller identification, spam protection, and call history management. The available options can vary between Android manufacturers and software versions. To begin, unlock your Android device and open the phone app. Tap the menu icon or the three dots in the top right corner. Choose Settings from the menu. Review the available call-related settings. Tap Caller ID and Spam if you want to manage caller identification features. Enable or disable spam detection according to your preference. Now go to Settings, tap Notification, find Phone, and tap on it. Go to Notification Style and tap Missed Calls. Choose Notification Sound settings for missed or recent calls if desired. Also toggle on banners. You can also change the lock screen notifications and save or apply any changes you make. Then return to the call log screen and verify that your preferred settings are in effect. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.